There is another way to turn the pictures off in Explorer, and that would be by going into Tools, Internet Options, and hitting the Advanced tab. In the Advanced tab, we see we have a lot of settings that we can turn on and off. If we go down to Multimedia, we'll see there's a little box for Show Pictures. If we turn that button off, take the check mark out by clicking on it, we'll see that the Internet Explorer will not load any pictures, but it's not going to be as clean of a look as we got with the CSS file. What we'll do is we'll turn that on, and then we'll go ahead and reload the page, and we'll see that all the pictures have gone away, except we're left with the boxes of where the pictures are supposed to have been placed. So the other look with the CSS file is a much cleaner look if we're trying to remove the images from a web page.